Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 68448. It's ran from the 9th 2008 to the 8th 2014. It has a 4N41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed 4-wheel drive transmission. This is a 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door some wobbles and one dent, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door has wobbles, right front door has wobbles, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.